Here's Sally, and today it's really rainy in Bali. It's also a really powerful weekend. Today is the 21st of June, and it's new moon. It's solar eclipse, and it's the summer solar time, like when summertime switches. So in Europe, it's one of the longest days and the shortest nighttime. And after today, it starts every day to get short again. So it's a really powerful one. And it's after Corona, so yay. This meditation today will be about inviting new and letting go of the old and really connecting with this new moon energy. And even if you watch this video later, it will still be connected, because you will be here in the right time to feel that this video is right now really helpful for you. So time doesn't matter at all. Make it as comfortable as you can have it for today. Lie down or find a seated position and close your eyes whenever you are ready. Today we start with the sounds. Listen to the rain of Bali if you can hear it. Listen to the sounds in your own environment. And be aware of every little sound. You can jump from sound to sound and raise your awareness. If there are thoughts coming, let them pass. Be aware of the sounds. It is like you are outside with your camera and you make a picture. And for every picture, you really want to have it perfectly, really sharp and focused until you press click and you have it in your box. So for the sounds, I invite you to make the same. Listen closely. Get aware of one sound until it fades away and there is another sound taking your full attention. Stay connected from one sound to the next sound. Where is it coming from? Where is it going to? And while you're listening from one sound to the other, I invite you to deeply listen to water. If you can hear the Bali rain, listen to the rain of Bali. If you can hear some other water pipeline or showering, listen to it and invite it to visualize that you're standing in the rain or under the shower, and the water is taking all the things you don't need anymore. If there's heaviness, if there are bad feelings, negativity, anything what is like holding you down and not letting you shine. Let it take by the water. Let it be free. Just let it go. Feel your breath and just let the water, the shower of rain, take all the heaviness from you. It just takes it away. You don't need it anymore. It's time to let it go. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. And when from the outside everything is gone, but you don't need anymore, visualize the rain inside of you and start from the head. Let the rain take all the thoughts you don't need anymore. Negativity, old belief system, old patterns, all the things you don't need. Let it pass, let it go. Surrender inside of you. It's okay to let things go. Come a little bit deeper. Let go of old visions, of sounds you don't like to hear. Let go of smell you can't smell, of words you didn't want to say anymore. Let go. Dive deeper to your heart. Let go of emotions. Let the rain, your inner rain, take care of it. With love, it takes away what is not nourishing you anymore. Even deeper, even the emotions who are stuck in your belly, let them take by the rain. You're doing it perfectly. Just imagine it. Deeper to your hips, through the whole legs, into the ground, and let them go. Observe your whole body, inside and outside. Is there everything pass? Did you go? Let go of everything what is not there anymore, what is not serving you in a good way. And if everything is gone, feel your breath. Now it's time to connect to your breath. Maybe there's already a little bit more space in your lungs. You can breathe more freely. How do you feel right now after our cleaning? Take a deep inhale and a long exhale. Deep inhale and a long exhale. Beautiful. One more. Deep inhaling and a long exhale. Now it's time. You are ready. And even the rain is getting more strong. Invite the energy from the new moon. Invite the visions and all the things you want to attract in your life. And visualize it. If it is, the more clear you get, the more powerful it will. So visualize yourself. If it's a boyfriend or girlfriend you want to attract, see yourself walking hand in hand with him or her together, and looking in each other's eyes. Even imagine what would you say to each other, how would you touch each other. Use all your senses. If it's that you have pain anywhere in your body, imagine yourself healthy, completely healthy. You can move freely. There's no resistance anymore. You can breathe, you can move, you can dance, you can be. Totally healthy. And if it's in your business, in your job, imagine yourself. How successfully, how abundant you are. You do exactly what you want because you're so good at it. And you can share it. That's the most powerful thing you have. Whichever things you want to attract in your life, imagine them right now. See them in front of your closed eyes. And feel. Your brain doesn't know the difference between future or now. So really imagine that you are in a situation. Imagine how it looks, what you see, what you hear, what you talk, how you move, and really feel it inside. This is the most powerful thing. From the logical, brainy, thoughty thing, bring it now in your heart and really connect here. Feel it. You are in this situation right now, and how is it inside? What is happening? Imagine it. And to really dive deep, repeat the situation 3 to 5 times, and you have a few minutes for this to dive deeper. No time for doubt. Really imagine yourself in the best way with your vision. It's already happening. Stay connected. If there's any thought coming or any disruption, no, don't give it a space. You're here in your vision. You're in your manifestation. Stay here. Visualize it one more time. Deeply inside. How is the situation? How do you feel? Beautiful. Now it's time to surrender. Let your vision sink into every cell of your body, into your brain, in your heart, in your belly. Feel your feet arrive in your body. Feel your feet, feel your legs, feel your hips, feel your buttocks, feel your lower back, feel your belly, and breathe into your belly, breathe into your heart. Feel your breath in your body. Feel your hands, feel your arms, feel your shoulders, feel your neck, feel your head, and arrive in your face. How do you feel here? And when you fully arrive, take one more deep inhale. And exhale. When you feel you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. And feel free to journal, to write it down, your ideas for your future, your plans and your visions. You can even paint them or write a song, sing a song about it, and manifest it. Send the energy where you want to have, what you want to have in your life. Thank you so much for your trust and for joining me today. So happy to have you here. Namaste.